You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce these famous and appropriate phrase to cheer people up before a meal. We'll be looking at how to say more useful Italian vocabulary, food names as well, that too many people get confused by. So how do you say Buon Appetit in Italian, or what in English means enjoy your meal? Buon appetito. Buon appetito. Because there's a double P, you need to stress a bit on that double P. Buon appetito. Buon appetito is buon appetit in Italian. Enjoy. More videos for you here to learn useful Italian vocabulary. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.